there are the units that I just filmed. I'll start with these right here. Here's a couple of big Trane XP series units. Don't know if they're... Yeah, that's a heat pump. There's the date right there. You can probably read that pretty well. That's a... Okay, that's a 3.5 ton. I'm pretty sure this is the same thing. XP13. Yep. And there's... I do hear something running, so... There's some Lennox Merit series right over here. These actually look fairly new. Take a look at the data sheet here just a sec. Yep. Where's the date? Yeah, these are 2017 4-ton. And yes, these are heat pumps. Surprised they're not running. It is absolutely chilly out here. And yeah, here's a couple more over here. Okay. Copeland Scroll compressor, I'd say this is the same date, same tonnage, except this is a 14 SEER. Yeah, same thing. Okay. Another one of those Lennoxes right here. Yep. Heat pump. Copeland Scroll. Some Trane XB series. And there's another Lennox right there. Oh, and it just shut off. I hear something hissing around in there. Was running in cool mode or heat mode? Heat mode. Suction is warm. There's a Trane XP series right here. Some of these. Oh, you know what? This is a commercial 3-phase. It's a Climate Tough Scroll. Let's see if these are heat pumps. Yeah. January of 2010. 3-ton. Don't. I'd say that's the same thing. XP13. Climate Tough. That's a big Climate Tough compressor. And yeah, I think these might all be heat pumps. May of 08. 4-ton. February of 08 4-ton. That's the same thing, and something is running. That carrier over there. It's actually not... It's pretty quiet, actually. Yep. Heat mode. 2006 4-ton. 4-ton? Oh. Yeah, that's a 4-ton. This one's a 5-ton. XP13. There's the data sheet right there. Hope you can see that pretty well. Yeah, nothing's... Not many of these are running, but I think a few of them might be. Carrier... Yeah, that's a heat pump, okay. I thought that was a straight cool for a sec. Another one of those carriers. Here's one. Heat pump, July of 2012, 5-ton. I do hear something running. Oh, it's a Armstrong Air. I'm pretty sure that's a straight cool. No, never mind. I keep assuming these are straight cools for some reason. A couple of ductless units. Comfort Star right there. It's running. Probably in heat mode. Oh, air conditioning, straight cool? Hold on, where's the suction line? I can't tell. This one, a straight cool unit. It says air conditioner. I mean, it could be a heat pump. Don't know why it's listed as an air conditioner. And here is a Comfort Sire 13 SEER. This one's not running. I'd say that's a heat pump. And something is running. Oh, it's that train right there. See if I can get the year off this. 2017 5-ton. Oh. Another Comfort Sire. This one is a 2006 5-ton. Running in heat mode. Couple of carriers right here. I'm pretty sure that's the same year as the ones. Let's check. Yeah, well, not too far off. Date sheet's faded on this one. Okay, and back where we started. None of these turned on. Actually, it seems to be warming up right now. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.